Hello and welcome to the MSPC Bros channel, and today we will be showing you 3 of the top monitors from 3 different categories. These monitors are all from our opinion after consulting a few websites. The first category will be the budget monitor, followed by the performance monitor, and ending with a top quality monitor. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss our videos. Now it's time for the first monitor. Our first option comes from the budget category and is the Acer A-Open 24CL1Y. This monitor comes in at $129.99. Considering that this is a budget monitor, this is the absolute minimum you should consider playing any game at, as it can give you a maximum of 60 Hz or 60 FPS. It unfortunately comes with a 5 millisecond response time, which isn't too horrible, but with the average being 1 millisecond among monitors used by most gamers, it isn't that great either. Thankfully, it has a color output of 16.7 million colors, which is nice to see as the picture quality will be good even though it has a 1920 by 1080 resolution. With the previous specs, we can pretty much tell the DisplayPort isn't going to be available as it isn't necessary. This is why it has HDMI 1.4 and a 15-pin VGA connection instead. An IPS panel type also helps ensure you get sharp and crisp colors no matter what you are doing on the monitor. The size of the display is also nice, being 23.8 inches, meaning it isn't too small or too big, so it is the perfect size for your setup. Overall, this is an excellent monitor choice, exceeding expectations with its colors, but not so much with smoothness and fluidity, which is why the price justifies it being in the budget category. Now it's onto the performance category, where our monitor of choice was the LG 326N650-B. This monitor comes at a whopping $309.99, which does seem overpriced, but just wait until you see the specs. First, it has a 32-inch screen for those who like a large size display for their setup. It also has a respectable 1 millisecond response time, which is the average with gaming style monitors nowadays, though a smaller response time would have been nicer since it is achievable. A 2560 by 1440 screen resolution gives you a more realistic look compared to the average 1920 by 1080 resolution or 1080p. A 165 Hz screen refresh rate and AMD FreeSync technology guarantee you a smooth experience whether editing or gaming. Since this is a performance monitor, DisplayPort is now available and the monitor even has an HDMI port option as well. Overall, this is an excellent monitor, though it is a pricier option, which is what you should expect to pay with those kinds of specs. Finally, we end with a quality monitor, which is the AOC 24G2. Coming in at $189.99, this monitor is a good balance between the budget and performance options. It has a 144 Hz refresh rate and a 1920 by 1080 resolution. The size of the display is 23.8 inches, which is a comfortable size which isn't too overwhelming, but isn't underwhelming either. It has 3 connection options, which isn't too common nowadays. It comes with one VGA 15-pin connection, an HDMI 1.4 connection, and a DisplayPort 1.2 connection. As with most gaming style monitors, it has AMD FreeSync, which is similar to the NVIDIA G-Sync technology. It also has an IPS display, which will provide crisp and sharp colors similar to the budget monitor. 16.7 million colors can also be displayed, which improves clarity and picture quality. Overall, this is an excellent monitor choice as it has excellent specs for an acceptable price. If you are looking at some monitors to purchase for either an upgrade or for a new build, have a look at these 3 pre-selected options to see which is the best and get a general idea for the type of monitors you are looking for. This can help you have a better experience with your build and may even save you some money. That's it for the 3 best monitor choices, and we would really appreciate if you smash that like button down below and leave us a sub to never miss another video.